we can already add, take away, multiply, divide, assign, increment, decrement with operators. Now we will explore some more useful operators, and then we will go straight on to learning about how to use them. We use operators to create an expressions that is either true or false. We wrap expressions in the parentheses or brackets. The comparison operator. The comparison operator is written in programming is written like double equality, and it tests for equality and is either true or false, which is means 1 is corresponds to true or 0 is corresponds to false, and it is the boolean type. Boolean. An expression such as 9 equals expression 8, for example, is false, is equals false, because 9 and 8 is different numbers, and they are false because they are different. And if this will be 9 equals 9, it will be false because they are same bits. So it compares the numbers and bits here. As you know, everything in programming is bits, which is true or false. This is not equal to 9. However, an expression such as 2 plus 2 that equals 4 is obviously true, because we firstly we are assigning something here, arithmetics, which is this is equals to 4, and we are comparing it. If 2 plus 2 equals 4, then this will return true. The logical not operator. The logical not operator is written like this, Turner operator. It used to test the negation of an expression. If the expression is false, then the not operator causes the expression to be true. For instance, I want to show you that something in here, let's open braces, and here plus 2 is equals to, we assigning it that equals 5 here, and let's close the braces here. So, and I will tell you what is this. So as you know, here we tested them, these operators. 2 plus 2 equals 4, which is this returns true here. But 2 plus 2 is equals 4, and because 4 is not equals to 5, this will return false, of course, as you know. But if there is operator that's not operator, this is logical not operator, this will return true. So if 5 equals 5, but you are adding this here, like this normally this is the true, but if you add this before or after the comparison, this will return false, because this is true. But if this is the 5 equals comparison, 5 comparison with 4, this will return true, because this false. So this bitwising operators here. You will learn about more explanations. We will do more explanations later of our video course. So the not equal operator. So I want to show you the not equal operator here. That I think you seeing let good, but I want to increase the font a little bit for better understanding, and here. So now I will explain you the not equal operator, which is not equal operator is coded like this. One ternary and one equality operator is not equal operator, and this not equal operators test whether something is not equal. For example, I want to show you something that 10 not equals to 9 will return true, of course. Because why? So if we've written like this will return false, but not equals. So if 10 and 9 isn't 10 and 9 not equal, yes, so it will return true basically. So the greater than operator, I want to show you that. Let me show you. So the greater than operator. Another comparison operator, and there are a few more like this as well, is the greater than operator. This operator tests whether something is greater than something else. The expression like 10 greater than 9 will return true because it is asking is 10 greater than 9, so yes, so it will return true here. Is my voice recording? Yes. I think we are going good. If you have any questions, let me ask you in your questions section, and I will answer your question as fast as possible as I can. So the less than operator I want to show you, this is the opposite of greater than operator. So less than operator is 10 less than 9. So we are asking here, is 10 less than 9? So no, 10 is greater than 9, so 10 is not less than 9, so this returns false. We have the greater than or equal to operator written like this. This operator tests whether one value is greater than or equal to other, and either is true, the result is true. This is what the operation looks like here. This is the just for looking good. This is the operator of our greater than, which we have less than or equals to operator as well. I will discuss it later. So as an example, the expression 10 greater than or equal to 9 is returns true. So 10 is 10 greater than or equal to 9. Yes, we have one expression is here completing. 10 is greater than 9, but 10 is not equal than 10 is not equal than 9. So it will be return true because greater than is works, but this works as well. So then now the 10 is equal, but the 10 is not greater than 10, so this will not work. This will work here, and this returns true as well. So this is the same operation as this less than or equal to operator. This operator tests whether one value is greater than or equal to the other, and if either is true, the result is true. This is the what operator looks like. And as an example, the expression 10 is greater than less than or equal to 9 is returns true. True. Because, oops, I'm sorry, less than, it's not returns true actually, it returns false here. Oops, what's that? Okay. Is 10 greater than or equals to 9? Less than, oops, I'm sorry. Less than or equals to 9? No, this is returns false here. And we have logical AND operator as well, which I want to explain you. This is the necessary operations, logical and logical OR. So it is, I think this is the this can be compliant of so much, because I think I have so this operator is corresponds to this, but in not same way, the other way. So the logical AND operator. This operator is known as the logical AND. It tests two or more separate parts of an expression, and both or all parts must be true for the entire expression to be true. Logical AND usually used in conjunction with the other operators to build more complex tests. The expression like this, so 10 greater than 9, and to AND operator, and is 10 less than 11 here. This is true. This returns true because both parts are true. So is 10 greater than 9? Yes, it's true. Is 11 greater than 10? Is true. So true and true returns true here. So, but I want to show you more examples here. And let's copy this. So, and 9 greater than 10, this returns false, because this returns false, but this returns true, and this will return false. To be successfully to be get and true with AND operator, you need the both sides returns true. There is another expressions that logical on AND expression, which this is not this works the same but not the same way. So let's show you. So AND operator here, or logical or operator here. So logical or this operator called logical OR, and it is just like logical AND, except that only one of the two or more parts of an expression needs to be true for the expression to be true. This is the law of writing like that way. Take another look at the previous example that we used for logical AND here. But instead replace with and with these two pipes here. The expression I want to write you here. So as you may see, this one side, this expression's one side is false, the other side is true. So here this is the copy of this as well, but this returns true here, because the OR operator for successing OR operator to getting true value from OR operator, you need to just the one side to be needs to be true. So if in operator one side in 2 is true, then operator needs returns true. But if toSide is false, then operator returns false, of course. It's more not complicated, but it's just a little has a little change with AND operator. So in the programming you will use this as well. Let's make another example for better understanding. Okay, so 10 is, so this is a true false here. 9 is not equal, 9 is not greater than 10, or 10 is not greater than 11. This will return false because we have not true here. They are both false. Seeing the operators in more practical context, in this lecture and through the rest of the course, we will help to clarify their different uses, and we will discuss them later on this course. Now we know how to form expressions with operators, variables, and values. Next, we can look at a way of structuring and combining expressions to make several deep decisions.